Here is a DailyStep English Level 4 audio lesson. There is a short dialogue. You cannot see the text at first. Click to show the text. Click again to hide the text. Just like this. You click and click, click, and click again. In the functions section, you learn important phrases. For example, saying you have made a mistake. I'm afraid I've gone and... Or accepting an apology. Never mind, these things happen. Functions are also here. In the notes section, you learn exact rephrasing. I've gone and double booked myself. I've made the mistake of double booking myself. Never mind. Please don't worry about it. Notes are also here. You can choose your accent, British English or American English. There is a fast audio file, speaking at natural speed, and a slow audio file to perfect your pronunciation. You can download MP3 and PDF files. How to use a DailyStep English audio lesson. 1. Listen 3 times.
Hi Sarah, it's Paul Johnson. It's about our dinner arrangement on the 20th. I'm afraid I've gone and double booked myself. I meant to be flying out to Berlin that night for a presentation the following morning. I don't know how I could have forgotten, but it completely slipped my mind.
Never mind, Paul, these things happen. As a matter of fact, it would suit me to reschedule the 20th as well. My mother-in-law's coming over from the States that night.
Ask yourself, what are they talking about? 2. Click to show the text. Read it silently, then aloud. Hi Sarah, it's Paul Johnson. It's about our dinner arrangement on the 20th. I'm afraid I've gone and double booked myself. I'm meant to be flying out to Berlin that night for a presentation the following morning. 3. Next, very important. Listen, read and speak at the same time. Hi Sarah, it's Paul Johnson. It's about our dinner arrangement on the 20th. I'm afraid I've gone and double booked myself. I'm meant to be flying out to Berlin that night for a presentation the following morning. I don't know how I could have forgotten, but it completely slipped my mind. I'm Paul, these things happen. As a matter of fact, it would suit me to reschedule the 20th as well. My mother-in-law is coming over from the States that night. Copy the pronunciation, rhythm and tone. Do this 3 times. Don't worry if you make mistakes. 4. Click to hide the text. Listen again and try to speak along.
Hi Sarah, it's Paul Johnson. It's about our dinner arrangement on the 20th.
With DailyStep English, you learn a little each day, but you learn it perfectly. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take 1 step every day on your road to better English.